Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on ALFI. I covered this one, looks like back on June 17th. I'll go ahead and link that in the description. It's an artificial intelligence. I was working on some other artificial intelligence videos and came across this one, and just time for an update. So if I look back on June 17th, it looks like this was at $6.19, so this has came up since then. Here's where they listed on May 4th of 2021, and could have got into the dip there at $2.90. Looks like it was in the $2.90s, almost $3 there for a while, and then slowly shot, well, I shouldn't say slowly, gradually, kind of rapidly shot up there through the month of January on up to 18, and came back down to 870, and there's where it's at now at 1016. Over the last 3 months, still had a pretty decent run, and right there is where it started taking off on June 14th, and could have easily doubled your money there just right overnight, so that's a huge jump. Here's a look at the last month, down over 33%, and in the last week it's up over 2.60%, and even today it's up almost 4%. But if you don't know what this one is, it's a artificial intelligence computer vision platform powered by machine learning models and powerful recommendation engines. Founded in 2016, headquartered in Miami Beach, Florida. 3.85 million shares traded on the average, and a market cap of 125.5 million. So kind of a small market cap, small company, but it's artificial intelligence, and as you can see, what the price has done just in the last 3 months. So it's a growth machine, it looks like. So it's almost tripled there, well, and then some. If it would have stayed at that high, but got a couple articles here about this one. Gear up for the change. ALFI has hit the volume, and this is dated on the 20th, which was $12.05 to be precisely. The stock rose vividly during the last session to $12.40 after opening rate of $8.63, while the lowest price it went was recorded $8.55 before closing at $9.18. The price records that include a history of low and high prices in the period of 52 weeks can tell a lot about the stock's existing status and the future performance. Presently, ALFI shares are logging minus 46.44% during the 52-week period from the high price, and a 400% higher than the lowest price point for the same time frame. The stock's price range for the 52-week period managed to maintain the performance between $2.41 and $22.50. The company shares operating in the sector of technology managed to top a trading volume set at approximately around 9,799,419. I don't know why they don't put commas in there. That would definitely help, which was evidently lower when compared to the average daily volumes of the shares. When it comes to the year-to-date metrics, ALFI recorded that performance in the market was 315.52% at the time of this writing. The total market value of the company is set at $141.11 million, as it employs a total of 21 workers. Market cap of ALFI reaches $131.03 million. Now what? This is dated on the 21st. So this kind of goes over the volume, so a little bit older information, so I'm just going to scroll through here for those of you that would like to read it. But the market cap reached $131.03 million, and 11.71 million shares outstanding and 4.39 million shares in the current float, compared to the average trading volume of 18.58 million shares. ALFI reached a trading volume of 7,207,672 in the most recent trading day. And ALFI's study predicts programmatic advertising spending to increase. And this is dated on the 26th. The use of automation and machine learning technology to purchase and display digital ads to segmented audiences as real-time is set to increase dramatically over the next 3 years, according to the new research from ALFI. AI Enterprise SAS advertising platform responses revealed that 49% of the senior advertising executives expect spending on programmatic advertising to increase dramatically over the next 3 years. And 43% believe that a slight increase in expenditure. So this could be a good long-term play. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but you can see the growth that it's already had just in the last 2-3 months. So it's doubled and tripled and then some, but kind of came back down. But if you'd have got out, you'd made some decent return on it. So the 3 most important benefits of the programmatic advertising: 94% of the survey respondents cited automation, campaign creation, placements, and even ad creation can be configured ahead of time in an automated manner, allowing focus on high-level strategy and bid management. Google Ads bid management is the process of raising and lowering keyword bids to make the most of the Google Ads budget. And moving on here, ALFI study predicts programmatic advertising spending to increase. So some of the same information, so I'm just going to scroll through here, see if there's any additional information. For those of you that want to read it, go ahead and pause, and as I'm just going to slowly scroll through. So this goes over real-time measurement, sophisticated targeting, return on ad spending, methodology. About ALFI provides solutions to bring transparency and accountability to the digital out-of-home advertising marketplace. Since 2018, has been developing its artificial intelligence advertising platform to deliver targeted advertising in a ethical and privacy-conscious manner. And here's how you contact them media-wise. Here's why ALFI recent weekly performance of 16.34% shouldn't bother you at all, and this is dated on the 26th. For readers interested in the stock health of ALFI, it is currently valued at $10.68 when the transactions were called off in the previous session. Stock hit the highs of $10.92 after setting off with the price of $9.94. Company's stock value dipped to $9.82 during the trading day. When the trading was stopped, its value was $9.94. Recently, in news on July 7, 2021, ALFI commences installation of digital advertising screens in Uber and Lyft vehicles in Orlando and Tampa. Purchases additional 10,000 Lenovo tablets. Ongoing table rollout and ride shares featuring proprietary AI Enterprise. And here it kind of goes over some ratings, and we'll go over those here at the end. So on Reddit, the true chat of sewers, ALFI tablets, not much information in there to share. StockTwits currently at $10.20, and a 52-week low of $241, high of $22.50. 101 by the end of the year. We'll see. That's kind of a high price on it, but you never know with this type of a stock. Why you should be bullish here. This is 19 minutes ago. CEO has 30 years of experience. has bought other companies from the brink to make them successful multi-billion-dollar companies. In the Benzinga interview, he said that the money from the IPO and the sale of warrants, they have been given a big bat, which they will swing for home runs. Planned buyback of $2 million in shares, announced late June. Reasons why I'm bullish: first to market, patented AI technology. So a lot of good positive notes about ALFI here, a lot of bullish comments. And over here on tip ranks, currently at $10.01 and no ratings here. So if you have any other information about ALFI, go ahead and list it in the comments. And if you have shares, go ahead and list your cost basis and any other information in the AI world and ALFI world that we can share and see what this stock can do in the near future. So it's already went up about 5-6 times and came down, but it's still doubled in price since June 14th, so a little bit less than 2 months. But that's all that I have on this one. If you have any other favorite AI plays, you can list those in the comments. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.